Hello friends and a very warm welcome to MPOnline channel. Friends, today in this video we are going to unbox this 32 GB pen drive, which this is the second package that I received from Paytm mall, and so we are going to unbox it. Let's see. Okay, so let me just this pen drive is actually originally cost around 700 and something rupees, but I actually had 500 rupees cash back, so actually effectively I only paid 250 rupees, and this is how I get this pen drive. Okay, so let's see. Actually I can open it up from the back, I guess. I think I can open it up from here. To be very careful, and then I think it's opened up now. So you can see this is how you can open the box for the very first time. This is how I've just opened the box, and as you can see, this is the first thing. It's kind of bill, and I just read. Okay, so it is a Strontium ammo 32 GB pen drive. Okay. And this is the big one. Actually this is this pen drive. You can see this wrapped under this very good quality bubble wrap, and now you can see it's beautiful looking 32 GB pen drive. And here is on the back you can see all this information. It's actually USB 2.0 pen drive, 32 GB, and it is basically metal pen drive with keychain. Okay, so if you wish to buy, you can buy it from the Paytm mall for a very cheap price. And this is 32 GB pen drive. Let's just open it up. Okay, okay friends, it says pull to open. Okay, I think I can just use my scissors and cut this plastic cardboard. Okay, Okay friends, so now you can see this is the keychain, this is the pen drive, this is the cardboard. We have to keep it safe so that I can utilize the warranty. Okay, and I'm gonna put all these packaging back to the box. And this is the bad boy, this is the pen drive. Okay, yes, and now it's complete metal pen drive, and then along with this keychain. I don't know how to set it up, but friends, this is the unboxing video of this beautiful pen drive. I hope that you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to our channel, MPOnline channel. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. Thanks for watching.